this video, I will be showing you how to use hyperlinks in your digital planner with GoodNotes. To activate your hyperlinks, you want to switch to read-only mode by tapping the crossed out pencil icon in the top right corner of your screen. And you'll know that you're out of it once that gray banner disappears. Now you're free to use your hyperlinks and switch between pages. When you're ready to write or edit, tap the pencil icon to switch back. And again, that gray banner appears. This lets you add notes or customize your planner as you choose. And that's it. Switching between these modes makes it easy to navigate and edit your planner. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And thank you so much for choosing OverItPlanners.